Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn descending order. In previous video we have learned ascending order of the fractions. So this is also same like ascending order. First of all we will find the LCM of the denominator, and then denominator will be divided by LCM will be divided by denominator, and answer will be multiplied with up and down. So first our step is we will find the LCM of the denominator. So how to find the LCM of denominator I have shown in this box. This is for finding LCM. So this 10 2 into 5 by I am finding this LCM by prime factorization. I am not finding it by listing multiple, because that will become very lengthy. So 2 multiplied by 5, this 15 is 3 multiplied by 5, 6 is 2 into 3, and this 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. So this is, and now we will make the common. This 2 is common, so 1 2, this 1 3 common, so this 1 3 common, and this 5 already I have encircled this, so this is 1 5. So multiplication of this is 30. So 30 is the LCM of the denominator. So this 30, 15, 6 and 30, this is the LCM. This procedure we will use in next worksheet also, addition and subtraction. So this should be very much clear. This is very useful for finding LCM, and in addition subtraction of the fraction also we will follow this procedure. So now what is the step? LCM will be divided by denominator. So 30 is divided by this denominator, answer is 3. Then we will multiply this fraction 3 by 3. Same procedure we have done in ascending order also. So 9 upon 30. This will become 7 upon 15. 30 is divided by denominator 2. 2 is multiplied by up and down, 14 upon 30. Same here. 30 is divided by 6. Answer is 5. 5 is multiplied up and down, answer is this. Then 30 is divided by 30, answer is 1. This is multiplied by 1 by 1. So these all 4 are the new fraction instead of this. So why we are doing this all process LCM and this process? Because here you can see all the denominators are now same. All the denominators are same, means cuttings are same. Now we can compare, if the denominators are same, then we can compare them by their numerator. So now we will arrange the numerator in descending order. So descending order, so which is the biggest one? Descending मतलब बड़ा से छोटा. Which is the biggest? 25. So 25 upon 30, then 14 upon 30, then 9 upon 30, then smallest is 1 upon 30. So after that, this is for which question? Our answer should be in the question form, because question is arrange this in descending order. So this 25 upon 30 is for which question? This is for 5 upon 6. This is 14 upon 30 is for which question? 7 upon 15. This 9 upon 30 is for which question? 3 upon 10. And this is last is 1 upon 30. So our answer should be in the question form, because we have to arrange this in descending order. So this is the answer. So your homework is worksheet number 3, question number 2, A, B and D. 3 questions only you solve. 1 I have solved A, means you have to solve B and D. This you note down in your notebook. B and D solve. While solving D, you will see mixed fraction. So this you should know how to convert into improper. 6 to the 12, 12 plus 5. This 17 upon 6. So once again you see 6 to the 12, 12 plus 5, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 upon 6. So whenever you will see mixed number, you will convert into improper fraction, and then you will use this for comparing. So okay, solve this question.